Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chicken basil with chili bean sauce. So let's get started. Let's prepare the sauce. You'll need 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. You'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar. You'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. You need 1 teaspoon of chili bean paste and 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Then add in 3 tablespoons of cold water. And mix all the ingredients well and set it aside for later use. Now let's marinate the chicken. You'll need 1 teaspoon of shaohsing wine and half a teaspoon of cornstarch, and combine all the ingredients well. Now let's combine all the ingredients together. On high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Now add in your marinated chicken and stir fry for 3 minutes. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. And add in your red peppers and stir fry for 2 minutes. Now add in your sauce you prepared earlier on and stir fry until the sauce has fully incorporated with the chicken. Then add in half a cup of mint leaves and stir fry for 1 minute. After stir frying the mint leaves for 1 minute, remove from pan. And here you have it, simple and easy stir-fried chicken with basil and chili bean sauce. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.